Good morning, guys. Hope all is well. Today is Saturday. I told them I'd work a couple hours to help out from the last 2 days of non-stop calls. But today's a little cooler. But I'm pulling into a no AC call right now. It's a little early, but let's see what it is. It just says no AC, so happy weekend. Plane's just blowing warm air, so let's see what we have here for a filter. Anyway, wash it. Little 24 volts. Standing pressure. So we're not getting my 24 volts here. Then I looked down, I was messing with these wires here, which look like shit. And then another weed whacker. The weed whacker got it. Yeah, it must have been the weed whacker. Must have been that weed whacker. Yeah, come on, you know it's the weed whacker that got it. Couple wire nuts. Weed whacker guy. The weed whacker must have got it. I already had my gauges connected. 35.2 evaporator temperature. We're good. So basically the weed whacker, I gotta clean all that up, but the weed whacker got it. Okay. Sorry, buddy. You're good now. Would you like me to set it to 72, 68?
74, please.
74, you got it. Easy enough call. She said yesterday it stopped working. Or she didn't notice it working. And like I said, we haven't had too many hot days here yet, so maybe the weed whackers cut it early. And she didn't notice at all. I gotta get rid of this box. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was a simple call. Have a great weekend. Like I was saying yesterday, it's cloudy and nasty out today, but it's alright. I mean, it's not nasty. It's just humid. And I don't think it's gonna rain. It's not gonna be like what it's been. But anyway, take care, enjoy yourselves. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Good morning, guys. What's going on? Today is June 3rd, 2023. Going to a no AC call in Westchester County, New York, which is like White Plains, a little north of White Plains. But let's see what it is. All it says is no AC. We got bum rushed with tons of calls the last 2 days, so as I said in the last video, I'm just helping out today. I'm gonna work a couple hours and then go home and relax. But let's see what it is. I think this is the house. It's like a barn or something. Horse stables, who knows. Hello? Okay. How many systems do you have here?
There's one for the left side of the house, which is brand new, so that's all fine.
Then there's one here which is a dual unit.
Okay.
Or split, and then
Two
not
zones.
split.
Two zones.
Two zones, and then there's a separate one in the.
And which one's not working? You don't know.
This part of the house.
How are you, Keith? I'm Paul. How are you?
Hi, Paul.
What's going on?
So, all right, we have a unit here that has a damper, electronic damper system.
Zone system.
Yeah, so it'll cool. It's the same unit that cools the upstairs and the
Yep.
downstairs on two thermostats.
Okay.
We turned on the AC for the first time a couple days ago.
Okay.
And it didn't. It was blowing. We could hear the blower going.
Okay.
But we couldn't feel any air coming out of any of the ducts here or upstairs.
Very light air.
It was very light air. Did you check the outside condenser to see if it was running?
I did not.
Okay. So, can you show me to the unit so I can check the filter? The thermostat on both zones, please. To cool. Oil. Goodman. Oh, it's not the mini. It's like a mix-match train. Mix-match train. Which is not running. I don't like poison ivy. I'm never a fan of it. I never did well with it. See how this holds up. Guess it's holding up all right. Let's get to this disconnect. Disconnect off. Wow. Damn, bro, for a Saturday call? I'm just kidding. Where's my components in this dump? You tell me it's back here. Jesse's girl. Give me calls like this all day, bro. Let me check the components inside. Go to my truck. House is pretty sick. Nice view. Hit that disconnect. System turned right on. Let's see what it is. Smile, you're on camera. Smile, you're on camera. Little like Jesse's girl. There's gotta be snakes back here. I'm not a fan. Not a fan, bro. It was probably off from last year because it froze or something, right? And they just forgot. Who knows? This is my 20. 18.9. Menzies put a 55. So you got a 55 here. You got a 55, 35, and 20, and then here's your fan capacitor over here. This is a 22. Okay, so that 55 is a little weak. The fan is good, 5 microfarads. But before I tell them that, I'm going to check my pressures because that being off scares me. Because why did someone turn it off? Did it ice up at the end of the year last year? They just didn't want to say anything because I've never been here before. Oh, buddy. Let's see what it comes down to, or let's see what it rises to. Buddy boy, buddy boy, buddy boy. Alright, let's start to climb now. Let's see where we met top out at. That's exactly. It froze last year. Somebody pulled a disconnect for good reason. And we have 6 degrees at my evap. We're coming down 28. Little climb. 29. Let it run 5 minutes. 6 degrees inside right now. Smells funky. There's no reason to change a capacitor if it's going to be low on 22. I mean, I'll add it if they want, but depends on their situation. It's supposed to be cool all week, so. Hello, Keith. All right. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and leave this off for him. It's going to be cool all week, so I told him to at least have the salesman or comfort advisor, whatever you want to call him, come out and give him a quote. I mean, you got capacitors, you got R22. I just feel irresponsible. I got this off now. Just throwing in 22. You guys tell me if you know the date on this guy. But, I mean, I don't want to just charge 22. I mean, he's half empty about. And who knows how long it's going to last. So, damned if I do, damned if I don't. All right, guys, we're going to leave that disconnect off. Turn the thermostats off. I told him if he wants, he can run them on fan. It's not going to do anything anyway. But, that's it. That's the best option right now. At least get a price. I gave him the repairing price, which is kind of high because of the 22. And he said he'd probably just rather replace it anyway. Like I was saying before, it's going to be 60s all week. I think Monday 76, but then it's going to be cool. As you can see, it's kind of windy today. So it's not like it's August where he needs AC this second. He's got 2 other systems in the house. But. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Take care. Thank you.